Hi everybody, hope you're all well. We've had a couple of people messaging saying that they would like a little bit of clarification on how to access the tasks that you're going to get set over the next 2 weeks. So this short little video will hopefully answer all them questions. We will start with where you find your timetable for the next couple of weeks in the build up to Easter. So if you click on announcements, and what you should see is the latest update working from home timetable. When you click on there and scroll down, it tells you a little bit about what we're expecting from you, and then you'll see Rebecca's timetable, so for Rebecca's tutor group, and then my tutor group on here. Okay, you will see that the timetable is broken down into morning and afternoon slots, focusing on certain lessons in certain slots, and that's what you need to focus on. So today, Monday, you should have been doing discipline and police powers this morning in Rebecca's group, and custodial care this afternoon. For my group, you should have done police powers this morning and crime this afternoon. As you can see, tomorrow, Tuesday, Rebecca's group, you will be doing my instructing physical activity on the morning and then GCSE maths on the afternoon. And my group will be doing discipline and instructing physical activity on the morning and custodial care on the afternoon. And then that follows on for the rest of the week and then next week also. So, getting to the tasks, if you actually scroll up, go on the home page, and for Rebecca's police powers this morning, all you would need to have done is click on police powers here, and then it opens up the page and there's the task on that first page. So what Rebecca wanted you to do was to log on, work through the booklet, the Unit 17 workbook that she's given you, and week 1 here, she would like you to work on S.1, S.2 and S.3, which relates to arrests. Once you have completed them sections of the workbook, she wanted you to submit, and this link here. So if you click on this link, it'll take you to a submission page. Now as a lecturer, I haven't got a submission button, but your submission button is on there, and then you just attach your file. So that's how you would find Rebecca's. Then you would click home, go down and find your next unit. Okay, so for tomorrow, you would go to instructive physical activity, click here, and then there's my task for Tuesday the 24th, which is tomorrow. Okay, you need to do your 6-week training program, as I discussed in lesson with you. You can find the template by clicking here. And that'll open up the Word document for you. As you can read, it's based on cardiovascular endurance, and what you cannot do is copy what you did in week 3. Once you've done it, you will send it in to C360 by clicking on this page here. It will take you to your C360 slot. Again, you would submit it, and then I will mark it and leave some feedback for you. For those of you that are doing maths or English, when you click on your home page, you should have been, when you click on your dashboard, you should have been invited to the Maths and English Canvas site. The tasks tomorrow afternoon for GCSE Maths will be on that site for you as well. I hope you found this very informative. Stay safe, guys, and we'll see you very soon. If you need anything, you know where we are.